Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. Today we are going to discuss another two questions from percentages chapter. Okay, this is one question. You just take a screenshot of this or at least make a note of that and try to do it by yourself. That is very important. Simple question, but these two questions are taken from previous year papers only, and some of our students also sent this one as their doubts as well. I have already kept this one in our doubt section in the regular course, and for the other students I'm explaining again so that you may also understand our teaching methodology. Okay, good questions, but I can categorize these questions as a little moderate level questions only, not advanced level, only moderate level, and you can expect this type of questions at a pre-level, prelims level of many competitive exams, and very rarely this type of questions are seen at a mains level. Anyway, prelims is also very important. For that reason you have to understand this type of questions as well. Okay, right, let's start this one. This is first question. Do this by yourself. Then second question, yeah, you just make a note of this as well. Nivedita earned something they have given. Okay, and try to do it by yourself. Right, let me start the first question. What they have given: the ratio of expenditure and saving of Mohan is 3:2. Simple one, simple. They have given the ratio of expenditure and saving, that is 3:2. Immediately one thing should come into your mind. What is that one? When savings and expenditure are there, most of the cases income is linked with that one in the problem, because income is equal to expenditure plus savings, you know that. Okay, next what they have given: if his income increases by 15% and savings decreases by 6%, then how much percent should his expenditure increase, is the given question. Okay, now how to solve this one? See students, this question can be solved very easily with the alliation grid also. Alliation rules we can do, or normal simple unitary method also we can use. I'll explain you both the methods. Of course, in my regular classes, I've explained the basic of this one, why and how we have to use a particular method. Anyway, now I'm not going to give that one here. Simply two methods. I'm going to explain this one in two methods. Whichever is convenient for you, you just go for that one. Okay, now we use the basic formula. What is that? Income is equal to, listen very carefully, you can do it very easily. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving, isn't it? We solved many questions in our regular course using this method. All right, now take this one. Expenditure is 3, they have given, plus savings, how much they have given? 2. Expenditure is to saving. So I can say income is 3 plus 2, 5. This is the first step. Of course, you can do this one in your mind as well. Okay, after that, what is increased? Income is increased by 15%, savings increased by 6%. Then how much percent should his expenditure increase? Direct one here. So income is increased by 15%. Let us take in. So this is income, right? 15% increased. You do into 15, just for our sake. 15% otherwise. That's up to you. Okay, I'm doing just 15 only, no problem, it doesn't matter, 15. Okay, then after that savings increased by 6%. Now you say savings here, this is increased by 6%, into 6 you do. What is the net result here? 15 5s, this is 75. Okay, so 6 into 2, this is 12. Now use the basic thing. What is this? Now try to find out what is the expenditure here in this ratio only, because I have not changed the numbers. We are going with the ratio. Now income increased by 15, savings increased by 6. I multiplied that one to get income this figure, savings this figure. How will you get the expenditure? Normal thing, income minus savings is expenditure, isn't it? Income minus savings is expenditure. Simply this is 75 minus 12, that is 63, right? In this method income is 63. All right, previously how was that one? 3, now it is 63. So how much percent it is increased? Percent in the sense, don't take the literal meaning of percentages, multiplication, you do multiplication, right? So 3 into what? In that way you go for. If you go for the percentages, then you will be confused. So here 3 into what will give you 63, or 63 by 3. So this is 21. How simple. So very clearly students, how much percentage increased? Previously we have done percentages. If you want, you can write percentage. This is percentage, here also percentage. Now here, how much percentage it is increased means 21%. Isn't it simple for you? Simple shortcut actually. Actually, there is a very big story behind this one. Why should we go like that? So here, I don't have much time to explain that one. In my regular course, I have explained you, not only for this one, for every question, for every shortcut, I have explained the story of that one. Why should we take that one? Reason otherwise. Not story, I'm sorry. Reason behind that one. Okay, so this is, I hope this is clear for all of you. I just quickly give the recap here. This is the basic formula, income, expenditure and saving here. 3:2 they have given, this is 5. 15 increase 75, 6 increase 12. Obviously expenditure is 63. 3 into what will give me 63? That is 21. My answer is 21%. As simple as this one, right? The same question can be done with the allocation grid also. Allocation grid, that is even simple when you compare to this one. That is simpler actually. Okay, let's go for that one. So but to go for that one, to apply that allocation rule, you must know the basics, students. I'm telling you, without basics you can't do anything. One very simple thing I'll tell you: whenever you are using income, expenditure and saving concept, using the allocation grid, how to do? Always remember, take the income as the mean value. Shortcut this one. Income as the mean value. One side you take expenditure and other side you take saving. This is basic one and the mandatory one. Always remember, when you apply allocation grid rule to this income, savings and expenditure concept, always take income as the mean value, and 2 here you can take, of course, savings here, expenditure there also, that depends. Okay, obviously you will get the ratio between income and expenditure and saving ratio. You will ratio already they have given, this is 3:2. Of course this is 3:2. I keep this one 3:2. Okay, now what we need to find out finally here, how much percent should his expenditure increase? That means expenditure increase. This is what I need to find out. First, fill up the values. You can come to this one very easily. What's the value here? Income increases by 15%. 15%. This is increased. Coming to the savings part here, savings increases by 6%. Again, this is increased, that is 6%. No problem. Now here it is increment, increment and increment. Income I have taken as the mean value, one time expenditure, other time that is saving. Already the ratio is given 3:2. Now students, how to solve this one? How to use this grid for this problem? Simply we can apply that one. How? Now this is mean value 15. 15, this is less value, less than 15. So it must be more than that. You know that because it is somewhere mean value. So now 15 minus 6 here. 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6 is, this is 9%. Alright. Now I need to find out this one, of course. Now the ratio is 3:2. Here you have to use the technique. Simple. This is 9%, this is 3. How would you get 9 in 3? Very simple, that is into 3. Into 3. We are going in the same ratio. For that reason, here the percentage should be 2 into same, this is 3. Now it should be 6%. Now you tell me, students, you can easily fill up the value here. This is 15%. This is 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now something minus 15 should be 6. Because one value should be more than the mean value. One value should be less than the mean value. So here I need to get the answer here. This is the figure. This figure minus 15 should give me 6, or 15 plus 6. This is 21. As simple as this one. Now, what is the increment? Increased percentage, that must be 21% is the right option. Have you understood this method, students? See, to apply this allocation grid, to percentages, or profit and loss, or time and work, or time and distance, or simple compound interest. Many places you can use this allocation grid as the shortcut. Okay, but you should know the complete concept of that one, how to utilize that, how to apply that one. Here, how did I apply? The first rule is that mean value should be income, expenditure, saving. Of course, I have to find out this one. I got 9%. Already I know the ratio into 3. Here also into 3, that is 6. Now 15 plus 6, my answer is 21%. As simple as this one. Hope this is clear for all of you, right? Now go for the next question. This question must be done by you. What you need to do, simply pause the video here and try to do it by yourself. After that, you can resume and verify that. What they have given, Nivedita earns 4,000 rupees per month. Simple information. If her income and expenditure increases by 8 and 12% respectively, income is increased by 8%. Expenditure also increased by 12%. In both the cases, increment. But savings decreases by 4%. Very important. We'll do this one directly with allocation grid. Within seconds you can get the answer. Okay, income is increased, expenditure is increased, but saving is decreased. If that is the case, find the increased expenditure. Okay, first you try to find out what is the actual expenditure. After that, we can find out what is the increased expenditure, because expenditure has been increased by 12%. If you know the original expenditure, plus 12% will give me the answer. How to find out that one? Directly I am going to use allocation method. So what should be taken as the mean value? You know this one. Income. One side I'll take expenditure. Other side we will go for savings. That's it. Now here they have given her income and expenditure increased by 8 and 12% respectively. So income increased by 8%. I am keeping arrow. Increased. Okay, keep it percentage. Expenditure increased by 12%. I am keeping arrow. But savings decreased. But all the three should be of the same kind. I cannot take this one as a 4%. Okay, but I should take this one as minus 4% increase. This is the technique. I told you in the previous sessions also. Simple technique we have used that one. Okay, so this is increased. This is increased. If you want to watch the previous video, I have given that one in the below this video. I have given the link of that previous video, and end screen, as the end screen also I have given that one. First you watch that one and clear the point if you have any doubt, and come back to this question. In the regular course, what I have done, I have completely given the reason why should we take this one in this way. Anyway, to the maximum extent I have explained in the previous video. Okay, right. Now just go for the ratio. Simply you can take the ratio here, because I have all the three values here. Now 12 is more than 8, minus 4 is of course less than 8. Now how to go for this one? 12 minus 8, this is 4. This one, or this is ratio. Ratio, take it as 4. Now here this is 12 minus 8, I got it. Here how it should be? 8 minus this value. 8 minus minus 4. Minus 4, that is plus. 8 plus 4, this is 12. This is the ratio. Now the ratio of expenditure to saving is 4 ones, 4 threes. This is 3:1 expenditure to saving. Alright. Now what's the question, students, here? The question is find the increased expenditure. Increased expenditure. To go for increased expenditure, first of all, I must find out what is the original expenditure. After that, we can go for this 12% increment. From the original, on the original expenditure, 12% increased will give me increased expenditure. But how to find out original expenditure? I will use this one. What is that? Nivedita earns 4,000 rupees per month. That means income is 4,000. Now simple, students, here, this is expenditure is 3 parts. Let's take it as 3, savings 1. Obviously, income is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. We are using the unitary method here. Here, these are the imaginary figures. 3 expenditure, saving 1, income is 4. Here the income they have given 4,000. I can equalize this 4 to 4,000. That's it. Okay. When 4 parts equal to, in this ratio, 4 parts equal to 4,000, 3 parts is how much? Why 3 parts? Because I need the original expenditure first. Now here 3 parts is obviously 3,000. This is the original expenditure. See, if they want as the saving, what is the saving here? 1 part. Saving is 1,000. Expenditure 3,000. Saving 1,000. Income is of course 4,000. Now I need increased expenditure. So increased expenditure is nothing but 3,000 into how much percentage increased? 12%. So now this is 112 by 100. I have given y 112 by 100 in the basic classes. Or directly you can use the fraction also, but it is easier. Then 2 zeros cancel here. 30 into 112, you do first 3 into 112, 312 to the 12 3 is the 36, 336. So here I am writing the answer here, 336 and 1 0. So 3,360. 3,360 I am getting in option number 1. All of you got the idea, right? I just give you the quick recap of this one. Simple one. I am using the allocation grid here. Always I have to take the income as the mean value. Income, expenditure and saving. Since they have given saving is in the decrease mode, minus I have taken minus 4. I found out the ratio to be 3:1. Expenditure 3 parts, saving 1 part, total 4. That 4 equal to income, the actual figure what they have given in the question. Now when 4 parts is 4,000, 3 parts is how much? 3,000 and increased by 12%. They are asking the increased expenditure. My answer is 3360. Clear? Right. So this is how exactly we need to go for this one, students. And I would like to give you one important thing. Many students are asking for the live classes where they want the questions from the previous papers basically. So we are planning for that one. It takes a little time. We will keep the live classes as well in 2 languages first. English medium separate, and since I am in Telangana, many students from AP and Telangana are also asking for the live classes in Telugu medium also. We may start that one as well. Later on we will go for Hindi medium. Hindi also, in my team many faculty are there who can teach in Hindi. Of course we are going to start Hindi also in future. Thank you so much, students.